What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode, JordanMichael Fishing. So today we're targeting snakeheads and snakeheads only. Let's see if we can't get a big one. Trying to get a big one on camera, guys, for y'all. And do a little bit of looking around, see what we can find, see if I can get some camera footage for you guys. We'll see what we can get. Hopefully we get something. Oh, by the way, Mike's right there behind that tree. Let's see what happens, guys. Ain't that many of them in here, but there is definitely at least 2 or 3, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, people. Let's go. This ain't a big one. Huh? I got a big one. Just now. He's big.
You got a little white. That's a nice one,
That's
man.
a real nice one.
You know, I'm going with something smaller. Everybody's catching them on
You were about to put that on.
I know.
Liar.
I ain't putting it on now.
Freaking liar.
Look what I got on here. I'm gonna use that.
As long as you keep talking, I promise you, you won't catch none. The only reason I caught one is because I've been here by myself with nobody here. There he goes. He just got off. My buddy just got here. Mike just got here. And I cast it right there. And he hit instantly. Let him eat, and yeah, I'm gonna wash him off right here. I got a big one today. Here he is, guys. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. I just washed you off, dude. Come on. Beautiful fish, guys. Shoot ya. Shoot ya. Shoot ya. I don't say that, guys. I got that from a fellow YouTuber. All right. All right, let's get another one. Where's it at? Where's it at? Fish. Huh? How long was that fish? You never texted me back.
I know. Well, fucking, shit. I'm gonna say like 80 years. I still got it at the house.
Yeah.
He showed me that picture.
I just caught a big ass one. I want to show you if yours was bigger than mine. Hold on though. Where?
You ready? I mean, it's tucked.
Where's it at? Point.
Right.
Just point real quick.
Right. It's right in there, and
Okay.
he's right on shore, facing in. He's facing into the.
I don't see it. In this root?
No.
Yeah, was that thing like, that thing looked like it was like 30 or over 30, wasn't it?
I don't think it was that big. The one I caught before that,
Okay. Maybe it just looked big in the picture. Dude, I've never seen snakehead fry before. What? Snakehead fry, dude.
Are those snakeheads?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
I just caught them. They're snakeheads. Dude, look at all them, dude.
Well,
That's what it's guarding. There's a whole nest of them right there.
Did you see the fish yet?
No, I didn't see the fish yet. We're just gonna leave it alone
It's
for
a
them.
dark one. You know, like there's.
All right, don't tell anybody about it.
Well, I already.
You ever seen babies, dog? I just caught a whole rack of babies, yo. I'm like,
Oh my god, dude.
Oh wow.
they're snakes too, definitely, 100%.
That's insane.
Look at their
bro.
red eyes. If you look, you can see their red eyes.
Oh, look, there's a
Look at a group of them.
Oh my god, dude. That's so. Yeah.
But yeah, that's what I put mine on. It was a jig. There's a jig like that, and I mean, he hit right away. They're done spawning. Some of them are.
eyeball before.
Hey, I would stay away from there
Yeah, I ain't
for a
gonna
little
do that.
while.
I'll tell you if I see that fish again.
Yeah.
I'm gonna move around.
Oh, there they are. See 'em, guys? All snakehead fry. That is awesome, guys. I've never seen this ever. I mean, that is like thousands and thousands of babies, guys. Look at this. They all got red eyes. There's got to be more fry balls around here somewhere. It just looks like a black cloud, and then if you look closely, it's fish. Got one, guys. Yes, sir. That's a nice one. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about. 4.5 pounds ain't bad. See, that's what I'm saying, man. Every one of them weighs. Let's see. Look at that mouth. Imagine putting your finger in there, guys. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Got a couple. Had a really good day, and I hope you guys like the video. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned, guys. because next week's video is gonna be awesome. You just gotta watch and see. Next week's video is legit. I'm not gonna tell you guys what happens, but it's a good video. But alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next one.